Hi friends, welcome back to my studio. Today I got something special for you guys. I designed a mini folio, okay? It's a mini folio kit, and I'll take you through all the pages and all the goodies that you get with it. It's not a very big thing, okay? Don't expect too much, okay? It's more just the base, and then you guys can decorate it however you want. But it's free, okay? The whole kit is completely free. It's over on my website, and I'll put the link up above, and you can go over there and just download it completely free. No strings, okay? No strings attached. You just go there and hit the download button, all right? And I'm trying to add some more things to there. Hopefully, there'll be another free thing. And I'm going to say what it is, but it's a free thing. Um, and I'm hoping in April to offer this one and that one in the month of April. So, be two freebies for the month of April. So let me show you all the pages. Okay, so this is actually the base of the folio right here. And it comes with these cute little buttons. I chose not to use those whenever I show you the example afterwards. But otherwise, you just cut this out, very simple. I tried to make the lines, pretty bold so that you could see them so you could fold them up. On the back, I printed, I included this too. I included this sheet that you can use so that your backs aren't plain white. So you can print that on the back side. Okay. And so let's go through them. Okay, so here you have 6 pockets. Okay, so and they're not all the same. They're all slightly different. And they're all slightly different widths, but they will all fit. Let me bring up the base. Sorry about that. Let me bring it back up. There we go. It'll all fit on here. Okay, so they're all designed to fit inside this. You can pick and choose which ones you want to use. You don't have to use them all. But see, this one is like straight crossed. This one is cut out. These two are angled pockets. They're designed so that you can lay this one on top of that one, or you can mix and match. You can put this one on top of that one, or you could put this one on top of this one. You can layer. Let me try it again. Layer them however you wish. Okay, I'm gonna put that in under here. So this one looks similar to our last one, except this one has a little bit of blues and this one doesn't. Okay, but otherwise these two are exactly the same. It's just this one's all pinks and oranges and green. Pinks, oranges, and greens. And like I said, you can mix and match these. This one is all pinks and greens. Again, the exact same pockets. It's just they're all different colors. And now here we're into different pocket. And this one is pink, and it's a triangle envelope. Whenever you cut this one out and you fold on these black lines, these deep black lines, you cut on the outside and then you fold on the inside and it creates an envelope. Here is a little tag that you can put in that fits nicely right inside of your envelope, a little card. Here is 2 pockets, just 2 additional pockets. You can put those on the inside of your envelope if you wish. Or you could you can put this one on your tag, however you want to do it. And again, I printed the extra sheet on the back so that the inside has something. And this one is pink, and then I made one in with a blue tinge. Okay, and again, the same pockets. So there's a lot of pockets in this folio. So let me show you. And then whenever it's all cut out, here is just a sample of some of the ones that are cut out, and you just fold them. Like that one's not folded, but see, they're all designed to be layered on top of each other in any way that you want to layer them. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So anyways, these are the ones that are all cut out afterwards. You just cut around the black lines. And I'm going to set that aside so I can show you the example I did. Okay, and here is the example all cut out and folded up. I just did some decorating on the cover. That's pretty much all I've done decoration wise. And then I added a Velcro in order to, you can add whatever you want. You can even just wrap a string around it if you want, but look how slim that is. See how slim it is? I love that. You could just pop that in your pocket and carry all your goodies with you. It's great for remembrance notes. Okay, so here I stuck a pocket on the opening flap. And then over here, you can easily see I put a little bit of decorations right here. That flips up, and here is a pocket. And then I put a layered a pocket right here on the front. And then inside this one, I added the envelope. And you can see it folds right up. And there's the card. Okay, and it sticks nicely in there as a little thank you or something. Here's all unfolded. So I inked the edges up on this one just to give it a little more definition. There you go. And you just slide that right down in that pocket. Holds it nicely. Okay. And then whenever you open it, I've added some more. This one's a deeper pocket. So you can see that was one of the slanted ones. Here is a more shallow pocket on the front. And then over here is another deep pocket and a more shallow pocket. I just stuck it right here in the corner. So you can mix and match these however you want. There's a pocket up here, see, just a little tucked in. You can see what it looks like if it's there. If you have a little tab at the top right there, you can tell to flip it up. But that's it. That's just a little folio for you guys, a little treat to say thank you guys. And then I'll fold it back up and Velcro it, and it's all ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy this little freebie, and check out the other downloads that's coming this month. I'll try to alert you whenever they get there. All right. Thank you for joining me. Have a blessed day.